What is up, guys? Welcome to Five's channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking to you on how to read a beam detail, a floor beam detail, either a second floor beam detail or a first floor beam detail. So the first thing you actually need to be checking is the overall dimension. The 3y16 indicates that 3 of y16 is needed at the top reinforcement, and then the 3y16 indicates that 3 of y16 is also needed at the bottom reinforcement. This 201 indicates that the beam is on the second floor, and it is the 10th beam on the second floor, and then it is the 10th beam. So the link here indicates that 27 of y10 is needed at 200 center to center as the links, which is to hold the top reinforcement and the bottom reinforcement. And then the 5625 indicates the dimension of the beam. So here, coming to the section of the beam itself, we have the top reinforcement and the bottom reinforcement, the 3y16 and then the 3y16. This is actually a T beam, just like a letter T, and then this indicates the beam itself, which is 300, and the slab, which is 150. So here altogether the beam and the slab is 450, and then the same thing happens here also. Here we have the beam, and then here we have the beam, and then this side we have the slab, which is 150, and then 300, which everything is also 450. So thanks to every one of you watching this. I actually want you to subscribe to my channel because I post videos like this on productivity, minimalism, and personal finance. I actually want you guys to support me posting content here on YouTube, because that is what I do. Love you guys.